So we started with 6.2 yesterday, right? So this exercise is about solving the linear inequality graphically. So how many linear inequalities will you have? You will have one linear inequality in how many variables? You will have a linear inequality in two variables, right? So the question is solve y is less than 2 graphically. So how are we supposed to solve this? So first, what are we supposed to do? Treat it as equality. Y is equal to 2 represents what? Y equal to 2 represents what? Meenakshi, can you come close to the mic? I'm not able to hear you. I'm not able to hear you still, Meenakshi, if you're speaking something. Anyone else who can tell me? Y is equal to 2 represents what? It is a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. It is a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. Since y is equal to plus 2, so let me label it. See, when you're drawing it on the graph sheet, if this is going to be the origin, let me take this as 0, half, then 1, 1.5, this will be 2. So this will be 0, 2. So it will be a line which is parallel to y-axis, sorry, x-axis. If this is the line, okay. Now what are we supposed to do? Once you draw the graph, you need to substitute which point and see. You need to substitute the origin and the inequality and see. So if you substitute 0, is 0 less than 2 or greater than 2? Obviously it is
Less than 2.
Less than 2. So you should shade it on the side where the origin is included. So I told you, I'll explain what is the reason for it. The reason is very simple. When you substitute 0, 0, if it is satisfied, then you're trying to say that origin is also one of the points out of the infinite points that are available. If it is not getting satisfied, then origin is not there. If origin is not there, then all the shaded portion should be on the other side. For example, had the same question been y greater than 2, then you should have shaded it on the other part of the line. Are you guys able to understand?
Yes.
No. Shall I move on to the next one?
Okay.
I'll share the sheet with you. Don't worry. Concentrate on the concepts. So solve the following inequalities. X plus y is less than 5. So how to do? X plus y is less than 5.
Substitute x with 0 first and then y.
Substitute x is 0. So when you put x is equal to 0, y will be 5. So what will be the required point? It will be 0, 5. When you substitute y is equal to 0, x will be 5. So the other point will be 5, 0. So let's take this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be 5, 0. Okay. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this will be 0, 5. Okay. So after this, you need to join these 2 points. So this will be the required line. After this, we should substitute 0, 0 and c. So 0 plus 0 is less than 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So it will be
So you should include the origin in it. So this whole side has to be shaded. Okay, it keeps on going till infinity. It keeps on going. So there will be infinite number of points that are possible. Along with this, one important point is don't forget to write the scale. So here scale will be what? X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to how many units did I take?
1 unit.
1 unit.
Just 1 unit. Y-axis
1
1
centimeter.
unit.
same 1 unit. So don't forget to write the scale. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
I'll do one more problem. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. X-axis, y-axis. So solve it. 2x plus y equal to 6. See, actually there is a mistake in this problem. What I did in the previous problem. What is it?
It should be dotted line.
I should have been dotted lines. Same is the case with respect to this whole.
Why is the dotted lines?
Been dotted lines.
Sir, why dotted
Because
line?
it is strictly less than 2. Strictly less, no?
Sir, if it is equal to, sir, like
Equal to means continuous line.
greater means,
Hey, this is strict. If it is less than or equal to, it is continuous. If this equal to sign is not there, it is dotted. That's it. Whether it is greater than or less than. This is y is equal to 2. Okay. Similarly, here the line will be like this. Similarly, in this case, what will happen? 2x plus y is equal to 6. X equal to 0, y will be 6. So 0, 6 is 1 point. Y is equal to 0. X
It
will
should
be
be
equal
3.
to. So 3, 0 is another point. Mithun, tell me whether it is going to be a dotted line or continuous line.
dotted,
Why dotted?
because equal to is there, sir.
Equal to, no, it is continuous.
Continuous, sir, because equal to is there, sir.
Ah. So it is 1, 2, and 3. This is going to be 1 point. And the other point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is up to you, okay? So I'm taking it like this. So right? Now what are we supposed to do? Substitute origin and see. Is the origin going to satisfy this? 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 6. Is it satisfying?
No, sir.
We should shade this portion. So this will be the required answer. I hope it is clear. Right.
Yes, sir.
So the remaining problem you yourself can do it. So only point to be kept in your mind is if it is a strict condition, use dotted lines. If it is greater than or equal to condition, use continuous line. This is the only point you need to have in mind. And don't forget to write the scale. Here, x-axis, again, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis, 1 centimeter will be equal to. Okay, I did the same thing, nothing else.
Sir, for shading, we have to take into account only the x-axis coordinates, sir.
See, this whole thing is 1 centimeter. Okay. This 1 centimeter, how much count did you take? You took each box as 1 unit. Why I'm writing unit is because you don't know whether it is centimeter, meter, kilometer. You don't know what quantity it represents. So that is why we are writing it as 1 unit. So this length in a graph sheet will be 1 centimeter. This 1 centimeter, I'm taking it as 1 unit. For example, had I taken it like this, 2, 6, then what should I write for x-axis? 1 centimeter will be?
Good.
That's it.
Sir, no, sir. I'm asking, should we take the x coordinate into account while shading, sir? Shading, sir.
X coordinate, no, you're taking no x coordinate. You're taking the origin. No, origin means 0 and 0. Both are taken into that.
No, sir. You said to compare, no, sir. You said that satisfying the equation, no, sir. So 0, 6 only we should take, sir. Which is the x coordinate.
No, 3, 0 will also satisfy. No. Substitute 3, 0.
3, 0 is not greater than 6, no, sir.
It is equal to 6. No. The inequality is greater than or equal to.
How sir equal? 3, 0, how sir equal to?
Hey, 3 into 2 is how much?
Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
6 plus 0 is equal to 6 only, no? Is this clear? So remaining problems you people try. Okay. Send it to me, I will verify. Shall I move on to the next exercise? See, if you're clear with this only, I can proceed. Do you people want me to explain something else? Is there any doubt in your mind which is unanswered? Let me know.
Clear, sir.
Clear, right? Everyone? If you're not able to speak, if you don't have mic, at least respond
Clear,
back in
sir.
the chat box if it is clear or not. Okay. Okay.
Clear.
I'm going to the next exercise. Okay. So this exercise was about dealing with one inequality. The next exercise is about dealing with two inequalities simultaneously. Okay. So that's what the heading is.
Sir, are you speaking, sir?
Sorry. Till where was I audible? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So till where was I audible? I didn't get any response from you guys.
You were audible until the graph. You explained the graph completely, and you are about to start with the next exercise, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just finish the graph.
About to start with it. Oh, my voice was not audible right from the starting of next exercise, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Till
sir.
here only, till this page only, we could hear you. After this, we didn't.
Oh, I explained a lot of things. Okay, that's fine. Listen. So solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables. Okay. So here what you will have is, in this you had only one inequality. In this you will have two inequalities which are simultaneously about to solve. The procedure is still the same. Okay. So the question is, I directly took an example and I started explaining. See, the question is, solve the following system of linear inequalities graphically. So x plus y is greater than or equal to 5 and x minus y is less than or equal to 3. So in the previous exercise, what would have happened? This is one problem, this is another problem. But in this exercise, both put together is one problem. Is that clear? So whatever you do for this, you need to do however you solve this inequality, you're supposed to do, and you're supposed to select a common area. So what I'm trying to say is, I took both the inequalities like this. X plus y is greater than or equal to 5. That is given. So first we need to take it as equal to 5. Then I got 2 points 5, 0 and 0, 5. Okay. So then I drew the graph 5, 0 and 0, 5. I got it. Now I'm asking for x plus y greater than or equal to 5. Should I shade the first region or second region?
First region, sir.
So you have to
First,
shade the first region because origin does not satisfy this. Right? You're going to shade this region. I hope it is clear till this step. Similarly, what you guys do is solve the next inequality and tell me what are the points you get and tell me which part I should shade. Which part in the sense you should tell me whether I should shade the part with origin or without origin. Solve it and tell me.
The second equation, sir.
Second equation, solve
so
it.
we get 3, 0 and 0, minus 3.
0, comma. So
Actually,
when you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3. So 0, minus 3. When you put y is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 3. So you get 3, 0. So 3, 0, I'll use another color. Observe, okay? So I'm using 3, 0s here. Then 0, minus 3 will be right. I'll slightly extend it. One minute. See. Now tell me which part should I shade?
With origin, sir.
With origin is satisfying. 1 minute. So 0, 0. What is the function? So 0, 0 is less than or equal to 3. So I should shade this portion. So did you guys understand what I did? So we drew both the graphs in the same graph sheet and we shaded. Now tell me which is the common area for both.
5, 0. 0, 5.
So this will be the common region. 0, 5 is a point. So this will be the common region. So this region is the solution. Means what we are trying to say is, if you substitute any value of the coordinates from this particular shaded region, it will satisfy both the equations simultaneously. Is this clear? So what I'm trying to say is, observe. So they did it in the same way as we did. But what did they get the common region as? So this light color blue part represents for this line x plus y is equal to 5. This light color portion represents for the line x minus y is equal to 5. But this dark blue region is there, no? This is the solution for both the equations. Are you guys able to understand what we are supposed to do? So treat them as individual problems and shade them. There will be one particular region which is common to both. That particular region will be the solution.
Okay, sir.
That's it. That's what you need to do, nothing else. Okay. Shall I proceed to the next one?
Yes, sir.
So here what you have is, you have three inequalities. What are they? 5x plus 4y is less than or equal to 40. X is greater than or equal to 2. Y is greater than or equal to 3. Tell me how to solve this. Again, 5x plus 4y, treat it as 5x plus 4y is equal to 40. Here observe, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Everything is a continuous line, no dotted lines here. So 5x plus 4y is equal to 40. When I put x is equal to 0, equal to 8. So 0, 8. When I put y is equal to 0, x is equal
y
to,
is equal to 10 only, no, sir.
So 10, 10. So 0, 10, and x will be 8. So it will be 8, 0. See, I will draw a rough graph only. Okay, I'm taking a rough graph. Tell me. So what are the coordinates? 0, 10, and 8, 0. So 8, 0, let me say it is here. And 0, 10 is somewhere over here. Now what will happen in this? So I suggest you to draw a bigger line like this, so that you will have clarity of the region. Okay, is it clear till this step?
Yes, sir.
Now which side should I shade? 5x plus 4.
With 0, sir. With origin.
With origin. So origin is included in this. So origin is included means this is going to be the side. Okay. Now next, what are we supposed to do? X greater than or equal to 2. So x equal to 2 represents what?
Straight line.
It is a straight line parallel to what?
Y-axis.
It's a straight line which is parallel to y-axis, and it passes through which point?
2, 0.
It passes through. Okay, let me shift it slightly. Okay, it always passes through 2, 0. So this point will be 2, 0. It is here. Okay. Let me use this shade. Now tell me which part should I shade? X is greater than or equal to 2. So origin is included. If I substitute 0, 0, is the origin included?
No, sir.
No, right? So what? So I should shade it on the side where the origin is not included. So origin is not included. I'm going to take, I'm going to use different lines, okay? So that I'll be able to find the common area. So it is going like this. Okay. Now what is for y greater than or equal to 3? Y is equal to 3 represents what? Y is
Straight
equal
line
to 3
parallel to
represents.
x-axis.
It is a line which is parallel to x-axis.
Right.
Wait, let me use a different color. So y is equal to 3 represents the line which is parallel to x-axis. So this will be 0, 3. So y is greater than or equal to 3. Which part will come?
Without origin.
So it will be the one without origin. See, I should have drawn a proper graph. 0, 3. Wait. So this point will be 0, 3. So without origin, I will take, I'll use another color. Use this. So where is the region where all the 3 colors are getting matched?
Small triangle.
That small triangle, sir.
You're able to see a triangle, right? So it is
Yes.
over here. When you draw it in a graph sheet, you will get the answer. So this will be the solution for this particular problem. Is this clear? So let's verify how it is with respect to textbook. So in the textbook also see. Did you understand how to find the common region? It is like where all the 3 lines are meeting. That will give you the answer. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
So will you people try one problem on your own? Don't look at the solution. You try it on your own. Let me know if there is a doubt. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Try it. For example, you can try this problem itself. You try it out and then look at the final answer. If you feel it is not matching, let me know. I will do it. But give me honest answer, okay? So if you can use a scale and a pencil, it will be better because you will get better, you will get accurate answers.
Yes, sir. But I don't know if the answer is correct. Could you show
Yeah,
the
sure.
answer?
Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But the size is different, sir, because I took.
Size is fine. Size is fine because the scale will be different, no? Here
Yes,
the
sir.
scale. See, here the scale is different. What is the scale you took?
For y-axis 10 each.
You took 10.
X,
Okay.
For x I took 2.
Okay, then you would have got something like this.
Yes, sir.
You would have got this. Yeah, that's fine. It is, see, when you shade it, no, the size is not important. By drawing this, what you're trying to say is, it is below the side, it is below this line, above x-axis, and on the right of y-axis. That is what is included.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's the answer. Right, others also got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So this is when you have 3 linear inequalities. The last one, the 15th one is when you have 4 linear inequalities in your hand. Let's try to solve that. Here's the problem. So what is the inequality? X plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. 2x plus y is less than or equal to 8. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, how to solve? So x plus 2y is equal to 8. So x is 0, y is 4. Y is 0, x is 8. So 0, comma 4, 8, comma 0. Similarly, 2x plus y is equal to 8. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. So this will be 0, comma 8 and 4, comma 0. Next is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y-axis. Y is equal to 0 means x-axis. Okay, have this in mind. So what are all the coordinates that we have? 0, comma 4 and 8, comma 0 for the first line. 0, comma 8 and 4, comma 0 for the second line. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. So it is greater than origin. See, actually, x greater than 0 and y greater than or equal to 0, you can treat it as a single thing itself. X equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, they're simultaneously happening. What is it?
That means
It
it's
is
origin.
Origin, right? So x is greater than 0 means y-axis. So y-axis is positive and x-axis is positive. It is going to happen in which quadrant?
First quadrant.
First quadrant. That is what they're indirectly telling. Okay. So the important lines are these two for us. So what are the two points that we have? 0, comma 4 and 4, comma 0, comma 4 and 8, comma 0. So 0, comma 0, comma 4 is somewhere over here. And 8, comma 0 is somewhere in the end. So if I take this as 8, comma 0, this will be 4, comma 0, this will be 0, comma 8. So don't get confused here. 0, comma 4 and 8, comma 0 stands for one line. So extend and draw it. This one, this one. So should I include the origin or not? So x plus 2y, if I put 0, 0 plus 0 is less than 8. So I should include the origin. So include means I will take it like this. I included the origin. Similarly, 2x plus y is less than or equal to 8. For that, this will be the line. Tell me, origin is included or
Yes,
not?
sir.
It is still included. So what I'll do, I'll use a different. I'll using horizontal lines. Okay, going to get like this. So x greater than 0, y greater than 0. So where will it come? It is the
It will be
first
in the
quadrant.
first quadrant.
So what they're trying to say is you need to select the region which is common in the first quadrant. So if you see, it is common here and here also. So if you take the first quadrant, this will be the shading it. You're able to see.
Yes, sir.
So this will be the common region. Okay. Got it? So let's check the answer. See. Okay. And what you do is you write the equation of line also. For example, the red color line represents 2x plus y is equal to 8. The blue color line represents x plus 2y. Don't write it as less than or equal to, just write it as 8. Less than or equal to is the shaded region. The equation of line is equal to only. Are you guys clear with this? So that's all. That's all with this chapter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So there's over. And by next class, I want you all to complete and draw it in a proper graph sheet and then submit it to me. Okay. So how many problems are there in the exercise? 15 problems are there and you have 4 days time. You can do it. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you can do these problems and this one also. 10. So total of 25 problems. Each day you do 5 problems also, it will be done. Okay. So if there is no doubt, we can wind up. Just a minute, I'll take attendance and then you can leave.